Hey, it's Sam. If you want to know whether or not affiliate marketing is easy, well, stick around because that's exactly what I want to talk to you about. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that will teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So affiliate marketing is by no means easy, but it is not hard. It's sort of in the middle. It's medium rare. So if you're a previous business owner, or if you're a business owner now, then you probably can get the grasp of affiliate marketing easily, because when you do affiliate marketing, you're also doing the business. You're also owning that business, the affiliate marketing business. And it's a lot of work to get to a point where you can pretty much maximize your efforts on every aspect of owning the business, whatever you do. In the beginning, you gotta be your own marketer, you gotta be your own accountant, you gotta be the one that really makes sure that everything goes well, at the manager. And affiliate marketing is also like that, but everything is on a digital scale. Everything you do is online and is connected. So maybe it can be easier. You just gotta sit down, make sure you understand everything. Like every other profession, depending on your ability, your drive, your how much more you can push yourself to see something to completion, then things can be easier. There's a lot of techno junk that you need to learn about. What the average conversion rate is, or what, and how you can go beyond the average conversion rate, what a sales funnel is, how to do email marketing, and how to set up website to email. Well, the thing is, everything can be learned. It'll take time to learn it, and it'll be very rewarding if you master it, because the ceiling for doing affiliate marketing can be super high or super low, depending on how much work you put into it. So the real question is, are you willing to put in the BST to make this work well, via blood, sweat, and tears? In order to be super successful with affiliate marketing, you should be able to have that persona of allowing people to know, like, and trust you. Because when you get those things, then you can pretty much convince anyone to buy what you're offering, to buy what program you're selling, to invest in any offer that you put out. Because you want to create an inviting atmosphere. You want to create something where people can belong to and learn without judgment and a fear of being fired, because you're not their boss. But when you're doing affiliate marketing, you're their coach. When you're doing affiliate marketing, you're their coach. You're their leader. You're their guidance. If you put that into perspective, to the average person, it's not easy. You have to develop yourself to become that person, to make affiliate marketing easy. You need to be able to explain to them every sort of aspect as best as you can. That's what marketing is all about. So I hope that answers the question, and I hope you found this video valuable. And if you want step-by-step guidance to do affiliate marketing, check out the link down below. I hope to see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.